भारताची पहिली आंतरराष्ट्रीय मास्टर्स बायलांची टेबल टेनिस सर्त 5 ते 7 सप्टेंबर मेरेन मोरजेच्या अर्लिया बीच रिसॉर्टात जातली. तातूंत 50 ते 100 राष्ट्रीय आनी आंतरराष्ट्रीय बायलां खेळगडी वांटो घेतली. शी पॅडल हे संघटनेन ताचें आयोजन केलां.
हे सर्तीत ह्या खेळांतले कांय नामनेचे खेळगडे 60+ संवसारीक विजेतो मंटू मुर्मूर, राष्ट्रकुल पदक जैतिवंत आणि राष्ट्रीय जैतिवंत रीना जैन आणि 8 फावटी मास्टर्स राष्ट्रीय जैतिवंत मंगल सराफ हांचो आस्पाव जातलो. 1.25 लाख रुपया इनामा सयत 40+, 50+ आणि 60+ वर्सां पिरायेच्या गटांतल्या एकेरी, दोट्टी आणि प्रतिश्ठीत पंगड चॅम्पियनशिपांतल्या दिग्गजांक 1,25,000 रुपयांचे इनाम भेटयतले.
Then we decided to create something very unique. So from there, this she paddle started, because we wanted to create something for, especially for women, because what we realize when women are always stay behind, like for their own family responsibilities, for their health purpose, they quit. In fact, I also quit my sports quite early. When I was 24 years old, I quit my game. But again, after 15-16 years, when my daughter grown up, I started playing. So now we play, all of us play masters sports category, and we are all like, she is world championship silver medal winner, I am bronze medal winner, she is also Commonwealth gold medal winner, and also I won Asian Pacific. We play all around the world, and we create some good memories together. So we decided to have this event. And of course, this book very special, very close to our heart, because this book is featuring all the women, those who played for India, national champion Arjun Awadi. So we'll be featuring them. It's like started with before Indupuri Marble Body to Manika Batra to Diya Chitle. Everybody we have done Zoom interview, live Zoom interview. Bodia Mazumdar is a famous journalist. He is part of this book. His team worked with us, and Mr. Rajaraman has taken some interviews along with us. So this is very special. So yes, I would like to mention on 7th we will be having our book launch event. So I'll just give a little brief about this entire event. So we are expecting Tourism Minister here, and also Mr. Kamlesh Mehta, who is 8-time national champion and Arjun Awadi, General Secretary of Table Tennis Federation of India, and there will be Pooja Bedi also. And Tarun Arora, that Jabu met actor, actually he was also a TT player from Assam. Nobody knows about this. He was very good player and he used to represent Assam. Now he is based out of Goa, and he will be also gracing the event. And we'll be having A. Radhika, who is national champion. Then Shamini, she is also a national champion. Then Monalisa Mehta, Kanchan Basa, and Shailaja Shaluke. She was 5-time national champion at Arjun Awadi, and she is 76 years old. She will be also coming all the way from Kolhapur, and we'll be having a 2 panel discussion during the book launch. So we would all love to have you at the event on 7th as well, 7th evening, 5 PM onwards.